Hey guys, welcome back to our video. So today I'm going to show you how to buy stocks on Cash App. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you have a bank account linked to your Cash App, and you could do that by going to the top right here, clicking on that person icon, and from here scroll on down until you see a section that says linked banks. So click on linked banks, and from there you should see a prompt to add a bank account. Okay, so after you've added a bank account, along the very bottom, go to the very left tab here. So I'm going to click on where it says $14, okay, which will bring you to your cash balance and this screen. So here you have a couple options. You're going to want to go under where it says stocks, invest with as little as $1. So we're going to click there. So start investing with just $1. You could click on this button that says buy stocks, or you could even search for a stock up here. So this is what happens if you click on buy stocks. It will just show you some of the most traded stocks here. You can see Nvidia, Tesla, Apple, Microsoft. Let's just say you want to search for a specific stock, so let's just search for Amazon. Okay, so here is Amazon, and you could see how it's doing today. So today it's up 1.86%. How is it doing within the last week? It is actually down 0.83%. So if I wanted to buy Amazon here, I would just click on the section here. It says buy, so click on buy. Okay, so from here you could click on if you want to buy $10 worth of this, $25 worth, $50 worth, $75 or $100, or you could also click on these three dots to enter in a custom amount. Let's just say you want to buy $1 worth of Amazon here, so I just typed in for $1. Now I'm going to go down here where it says next, so click on next, and it's just going to get you to confirm your Cash App PIN. So just follow through those prompts and you will be able to purchase stock. If this video helped you out, hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.